Let's go. Let's go to the beach. Let's go right away.
Morning vlog.
Don't know to like you.
Say hi vlog.
Hi vlog. It's your favorite person. We're at the beach again. Early that morning.
Are you getting ready?
Photo.
Do I do? Oh, what's going on? Are you vlogging it?
Yeah. Here, back up for a second.
Oh.
Taking a stroll. They're dirty, but I have this one, and I found a little mini red one, and Emily found this one. So yeah, very nice, very nice. Hi vlog.
It's your favorite person.
Hey. Everyone's finishing their breakfast. I know what you mean. I need tissue. We've got a bunch of space.
Show the height.
The height. Got some stairs. It's fun.
Shonen is just cremated. Yes, many Korean. Yes, anyway.
연대 지나겠습니다.
place is so nice. K1. We just went to the Korean War Memorial thing. Pretty cool, pretty interesting stuff.
Yeah.
We didn't record out of privacy reasons.
Yeah.
Even though everybody and their mama had their phones out.
I know.
Which is kind of like, in my opinion, why would you have your phone out and take pictures of dead people?
Yeah. The only thing I recorded was the memorial. Was it the flag
But like,
ceremony?
take pictures of like every turn. Kind of crazy.
Yeah, I don't know.
And you take pictures of someone's random dead grandma.
Yeah.
Oh, what? Oh, so that's Canada.
That was Prime Minister? I took a picture of him, yeah.
Yeah, we saw you.
I felt like paparazzi.
Yeah.
Did you take a photo?
Yeah.
Or no? It was Prime Minister of Canada?
We didn't know who exactly.
How'd you find out?
No, we don't know.
Didn't they tell us?
No.
Oh, I'll see.
Is it a woman?
Oh no, like who it was?
Yeah.
Oh no, but yeah, it was the Prime Minister of Canada.
Yeah, we knew it's a prime minister, but we don't know exactly. I don't know.
Oh, bye vlog. Bye vlog. See you soon next week. Look, I got a picture. She's copying me. Are you gonna let that happen vlog? Yeah,
열차는 조사에서 승차와 관계없이 본인의 회차에
It's like waffle and ice cream.
Yes, come here. Come closer. Closer.
Not that close.
Yeah, good. I like that. I was like, I'm not. I'm gonna do the yellow one. Okay. It's your least favorite person of the vlog. We're about to go in that.
Ooh.
Yay.
Designated scenic site 台中北，再乘坐下一趟列车继续移动。为了乘客们的安全。
And there is some souvenir.
The struggles of a small bag. Yeah.
Where's Sharpie? Oh.
Over there. We're walking.
Every 8 minutes, wait. If you miss the train, next train. So we're gonna meet at the parking lot in the bus.
Yeah, we're going to the lighthouse. And then we're going to the temple.
So you have to understand.
Yeah. Yep. We're gonna have
I was sharing with a
very much a bond with nature.
summer plans, and I mentioned this.
Oh yeah. Once again, more stairs. I have death grip on phone.
How's that man here? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, she's a pretty lady.
Whoa.
Emily, move your big fat head.
Emily, get out.
Whoa. This is a mermaid.
The water was so nice though.
Very nice. No.
I'm stopping at the lighthouse.
Yeah, no, that's just you.
Okay, I want to go. Let's go. This is the one time going.
It's time to go back.
You can go.
Let's go, let's go. We did it. The train's already gonna come. Perfect timing. Yay!
Bro, I'm sweating so bad. Look at the spider. Where? Oh, it's outside. So hot. I should have brought my damn fan. I know. All the other days I didn't need it, so I just thought,
I feel like today was like the one day you did need it.
yeah. Oh my god, I was saying.
This train is headed towards Taedongsan Temple Station. Passengers going to Taedongsan到达海中西站，游览海景4个乘客，请在这里下车。こちらはテジョンサでございます。
Lotus Garden.
Oh, they're on the trying to go to Tesla down to the Someone takes one. Wait, no, I'm not going. That's another shrine.
I know, I was gonna say that's a shrine. Okay guys, we're going back down. Feeling hot, yeah. But hey, we got some pretty pictures, so I think it was worth it. Miss Sylvia gave us ice cream. Ice cream! Hello.
This is the bomb.com.
It's like vanilla ice cream in the middle. Very good.
It's Busan Tower. It's been long time, so 1973. Yes, it's a little worn out, old one. It's anyway, there is a tower to enjoy the view of Busan. This is olden city. Yes, this is, and then left side we are going here to take a cable car, Songdo Beach. Yes, to take a cable car.
Alright team, it's me and Nina.
For once, actually, huh? This is the first time we actually
Solo it. Yeah. Exploring the village. Yes, we have an hour of free time, so we're gonna get some food and buy some things.
We found some cute cat stuff. I was so excited about that.
Got a poster.
Oh yeah, we're gonna try and look for a stance too, no? Yes!
Alright, bye vlog.
Bye-bye!
We're back vlog. Oh, it's mine.
Oh, it's on the floor now.
Oh no.
Rihanna just lost her thing that she just got handed. I'm bearing it and we are very hungry. We ate a fruit cup that was like 3 bites worth of food. Like honestly, I'm so hungry. I
could have eaten 5 more of those. And she had a sausage and rice.
Yeah.
And hers was good. I had a sausage thingy and it had like hard bits in the middle, and I didn't know what that was, so I spit it out and it's like but yeah, I'm still hungry. Okay, wait, look, my keychain, and then I got a cat for Jin. Jin's a cat, and it's drinking beer because she's a legal adult. Okay, bye vlog. Oh, and then here's my food. It's a mild. Hi.
I will die. No. And Rihanna's just filming. She's filming our final one.
Even if I die, it's my fault. Wait,
I'm in a cave. Let me out.
oh, there we go. It closed. Oh, water.
I wasn't expecting that.
Close your eyes.
I thought it was gonna move. I'm so sorry.
It is moving. What do you mean?
I thought it was gonna be like the Ferris wheel. Oh, this looks Disneyland. This is kind of scary looking. This is awesome. Okay, Emily, close your eyes. Don't look at it.
I know. I was gonna say, is this
It's a 7-minute ride. There was like last one. There's so much left.
crystal one. Honestly, when I look, I'm like when I look at the ocean, I'm fine. But when I look up, I'm like, oh, no, I'm okay. Just a little bit. I'm like, my heart just skips a beat for a second.
I can't.
Excuse me.
You swim. You two can swim. Okay, they won't live either way. This is a metal death trap if we're falling. Oh yeah, right legs. Get out. No. I'm really scared. Can you sit down there?
Yeah.
Hey vlog, we're in the air. Emily's freaking out like a little chicken. You say that when you can't swim. I'm scared to move. I'm scared to move like literally an inch. Through it.
Nina, you evil soul. That wasn't funny. It's like exposure therapy.
You have elevator music playing. It's great. Doing it Emily because she's freaking me out.
I know.
Yeah, good. I think it's fun. Feel the fear. All of your freaking anxiety out in the first 20 seconds of this ride. 5 seconds. She's freaking 5 seconds is very limited. It was almost 20 seconds. Heard that. Oh no. No, the windows are open. So embarrassing. Is it happy more to come back to? Oh, why? I got scared. Her head went down my back. I'm scared. I was like, what's touching me? Why is it going so fast when it goes down? I don't because it's gravity. No, I hate gravity. Did Ramos not teach you anything? That was so aesthetic, actually. That was really aesthetic. I love this. Let's do it again. We are gonna do it again. It's the only way to get back. No, I mean like a whole. Oh, another whole rotation. Let's actually, yeah. Isn't that what it is supposed to be? It is a whole rotation. Yeah, we're planting there. No, we have to go back. Yeah. I swear. All this is basically a roundabout ride. But I want to. Emily, stop. But I want to do the whole loop like 5 times. I'm scared. What if we fall and die? We're not going to. Don't jinx us.
It's okay. We'll use some of this.
I'm not a very good person. I don't care. You're gonna be
a life jacket.
You're gonna go floaty. This is so cool. I'm scared. Yeah. I didn't take my anxiety medication. I can tell. Emily! That was not me. Yeah, it was my lollipop. That wasn't me. lollipop, not me. You kind of gave me the lollipop. Thank you.
Like, great, now my pants are all dirty.
It was the lollipop.
Okay, you're a lollipop. Don't even.
I don't like you right now. What if I jump off? I don't think you could. Into the safety of the water. It's not really safe. When he has to. Good adrenaline.
I love dinosaurs.
Oh wow. Look at where they can go. No, let's. Come for me. Wait, can somebody take a photo of me? I'll take it on your phone so you have all of the videos ready. Sing it. We're gonna die. Hands up, everybody, hands up. We're gonna die. Come on, sing it. Fall.
Oh, that guy's standing up, straight up.
You ready? I'm going.
I was like, there's nothing on the top either.
I am woman, I am fearless. Yep, I am woman, I am fearless. There you go. Someone go ahead. Get this one out. Let it be known I did this. Somebody take a picture of me actually. It's all recorded. Actually, also me as well. Oh snap! Come on, Emily. I'm Radio Rebel. I'm Radio Rebel.
I'm Radio Rebel!
No, I'm Radio Rebel.
No, I'm Radio Rebel! Oh, I'm Radio Rebel! No,
Oh my god,
Okay, Radio Rebel, go. No, I'm gonna sing. Any sudden movements and I will die.
you're testing it, man. You're testing it.
Are we almost there? No. Oh, could this thing go any faster? Actually, no, we cannot. I don't want it to. If it goes faster, I don't think you can take it.
You just not my water bottle, man. Oh, hey! Oh.
You're missing all the action scenes and the breaking tears. The fact that I'm doing this is brave enough, okay? You're not. It's not brave if you were forced onto it. No, a few years ago I would have refused. Like refused. There was nothing you could do. I would have walked that whole bridge. There would be nothing. Girl, there's more than just the bridge. I want you to know that. There would be nothing you could do. I've been recording. I'm trying to keep it cool for the camera. She's got a stir face. Oh, we're almost there. I want to go on that. On what? What's that? The thingy. That. Is it the rock? The rock. Where you go down on the rock. Oh. Where you go down on the rock. I have a martini on the rock. That means with ice, right? I'm like, Emily. Why is this up? It's just playing off of a radio that YouTube suggests after I pick one song. Yeah, that was funny. We can't put that. Okay, I feel safe now. Right? I feel safe. I feel safe. Boom. We die. Right here. Look, guys. Look, that's pretty. What are you putting? The little stairs.
The patients in the hospital is the cut our skin. If you had a dog, so yes, very fast. Yes, endured the operation. operation. And in the past anyway, the mother told us it's not the dog, just the meat, and we ate a lot. Yes, so I have an experience that a dog's really nice.
Alrighty.
You know, it'd be funny if you took a picture of yourself.
Unlimited beef, pork, and meat. Nothing? That's it. We just have the chopsticks. Okay.
So we're gonna have to switch it. What do you mean? You said we have to switch it. Trying to get a better grip. So, when they're done.
You're like, I can cook in the double check.
I'm just making sure that none of us are gonna get
Salmonella?
well, I don't know what the
I got popcorn.
learn to share with.
Oh no, it's getting some right now. Wow.
I've never had this much tteokbokki in my life.
It's huge.
Whoa. Let's not go there. It's hard. I have meat in my mouth. You got what in your mouth?
Ta voix, tes yeux, tes mains.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh my.
Oh. The big bite. 10 out of 10. Some would call that the bite of 87.
1 3 1 2. Was that the bite of 87?
Oh my god. I'm so happy.
Okay. No.
We still have so much meat left.
No.
But I'm so done. I'm so done right now.
Ralph, you might want to try feeding the kitty for a little while.
No, the kitty gets the milkshake. The bunny gets the pancake.
Yep.
My Instagram. Wait, I'm gonna ask.
Cute. Yeah.
Wait, you're vlogging me? I
Yeah.
don't even know, bro.
Ooh.
bought some stuff at the other store.
I
hope so. Yes.
I've always found interest in these, but I feel like they might not fit me right.
Yeah. No, honestly, yeah, I feel the same way. I want to look for maybe a skirt like this. Maybe a shorter skirt. I didn't bring anything short because I was like, I don't know.
I don't like the texture.
Oh my god. We gotta run. Oh, never mind. They're right there. Perfect timing. I was like, we gotta run.
Perfect timing and everything. I know. We've had a lot of those.
Wow. How did we do that? I don't know. We had like crazy good timing.
Like we got there exactly on time?
Yeah.
Oh.
Wow. Let's see. We did it. Never mind. See you back on the bus, guys.
We went shopping. And this time we actually bought things.
Yep. Oh, look at that ring.
I have nothing.
Yeah.
Yay! Yeah, so basically, I cooked all the food and then they didn't want to eat any more of the food. And here we are, we ended up opening a snack. Obviously, I'm eating because I'm still hungry.
What happened to eating all your cooked meat, man? And
Hey, you just call me cooked meat?
No!
If that shoe fits.
Yeah. You're not supposed to. Oh, I thought you wanted some. Give me it back. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
He's so traumatized.
So foggy outside.
That is indeed fog. I thought that was straight wall.
I know. I thought it looks like wall, but it's not.
I was like, oh, and another tunnel. And I looked to my left.
It's like, nope, that's not a tunnel.
Sticker that.
Yeah.
Yeah, 740 at the first floor. After
I don't know about this.
Nina's taking 10 centuries in this restroom.
Nina, Isabel.
She's on Instagram Reels scrolling.
Nina. Nina.
Yes, that's what we need.
Those TikTok trends.
Oh no. No. Bro, it's like a stink bomb in there. You're recording, Justin. I am no.
This
Guys, update.
This better not go beyond your freaking photo library.
Update.
No,
I did not need to. I couldn't brush my teeth. So yeah, that's all I'm gonna say. I didn't brush my teeth. I'm not gonna say the reason.
It was a pretty shitty day, okay?
Back in the 1600s, Janina.
Let's go.
Oh, we're going.
Oh yeah, that's me.
The third season?
Oh, is that the vlog? We're at all of Young for the 37th time. Yep. Yeah, basically it. Yep.
Bonchichi. I did want to get a bonchichi.
Getting my luggage.
That was actually cool.
You know what? I think if I would have done this, I would have wanted the moon one. Yeah? That one. Or that one.
Yes, this one.
Alright, I got my luggage.
They're ordering right now.
Which one did you get?
I got the grape one and strawberry.
That's good. How about you?
Some berry cheesecake and chocolate.
Ooh.
I like
Wind sauce and air pudding.
It's very empty in here. This is the 3rd floor.
Well, I know they do, but it's still interesting to see it happen.
Yeah. Hey vlog. It's funny looking back at some of these clips now. Watching everything back reminded me how there's many little things I didn't notice from before, which is why I make these videos the way I do. I know that there are a lot of quieter moments and longer stretches without much editing, but I'm treating this series more like a memory record for myself. Something that captured the experience as is instead of cutting down every second and filling it out with comedy and different funny bits. I'm still not used to the camera, but it feels nice to leave some of those natural pauses in. I'm probably going to readjust some of the editing going forward here and there, but thanks for watching and watching some of my favorite moments with me.